Hey everyone, Oak Norton here, and I just wanted to quickly share what I think is one of the most important laws nobody is talking about, or it actually just got a little bit of attention, and I'm going to share that. It's called Deprivation of Rights under Color of Law, and you may have seen this, but Ashley Babbitt was the woman that was murdered at the January 6th event in 2021. And she was in the Capitol and killed by a police officer. And she was not threatening him. She was on the other side of a divider. And now we have this individual who has come out and mentioned this color of authority statute. And so what he said here is she was shot and killed under color of authority by an officer who violated not only the law, but his oath and committed an arrestable offense. So what is this color of authority? Well, right from the Department of Justice website, and if you just do a search on a browser for deprivation of rights under color of law, you'll find this. What it says here is Section 242 of Title 18 makes it a crime for a person acting under color of any law to willfully deprive a person of a right or privilege protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States. For the purpose of Section 242, acts under color of law include acts not only done by federal, state, or local officials within their lawful authority, but also acts done beyond the bounds of that official's lawful authority, if the acts are done while the official is purporting or pretending to act in the performance of his or her official duties. Persons acting under color of law within the meaning of this statute include police officers, prison guards, and other law enforcement officials, as well as judges, care providers in public health facilities, and others who are acting as public officials. It is not necessary that the crime be motivated by animus toward the race, color, religion, sex, handicap, familial status, or national origin of the victim. The offense is punishable by a range of imprisonment up to a life term or the death penalty, depending on the circumstances of the crime and the resulting injury, if any. So here's the deal. Somebody says, oh, I am acting as an official in this capacity, and they deprive you of a basic right. Let's say you're at a school board meeting and you are told by them that you are not allowed to be there, not allowed to say something or whatever. Is that a deprivation of your rights, depending on what you're trying to say and do, such that they are acting within these bounds inappropriately? So the actual section here says whoever under color of any law, color, I think, I'm not an attorney, but if I understand this correctly, it's like they're basically pretending, okay, like I have the authority to do this, but they really don't. They're actually violating the law while trying to deprive you of your rights. Entering your house without a warrant, that would be a deprivation of your rights. So whoever under color of any law, statute, ordinance, regulation, or custom willfully subjects any person in any state, territory, commonwealth, possession, or district to the deprivation of any rights, privileges, or immunities secured or protected by the Constitution or laws of the United States shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 1 year or both, and if bodily injury results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include the use, attempted use, or threatened use of a dangerous weapon, explosives, or fire, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 10 years or both, and if death results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include kidnapping or an attempt to kidnap, aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to commit aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to kill, shall be fined under this title, or imprisoned for any term of years, or for life, or both, or may be sentenced to death. I don't know where this law has been used in the past, but I think this is one of the most important sections of code that we have to protect us for things that are happening in our day right now. I think it's never been more relevant, and you should pass this on to other people so that when these offenses take place, you can find a civil rights attorney or the attorney general and bring this code to their attention so that they prosecute cases under this color of law when authorities of any type, a school board authority or anybody else, is acting under color of law, pretending that they have the authority to do something while they're depriving you of legal rights or privileges.